How do you fix dirty tires without all the elbow grease? This Armor All foam does all the work without any rinsing or scrubbing. Just spray and walk away. My absolute favorite feature of this Armor All is no wiping or rinsing. And that's pretty much what everyone says about it. They have active foaming action and it does its magic and lifts dirt automatically and you don't have to scrub it. It's a huge time saver and it's very professional looking. Other than spraying it, there's no effort. And yes, it will work on some pretty dirty tires. The main negative might be a slick residue. If you have an epoxy garage floor, I definitely wouldn't do it there. It could be a little slippery. I always spray mine on my asphalt driveway or my concrete driveway or in the grass. Is it worth it? Well, personally, absolutely it is to me. I can do my car multiple times with a can of this. Best of all, I can just spray it and walk away.